When a photon carrying the right amount of energy is absorbed by an atom or molecule, then the energy of the species is increased. So we can visualize this using an atom where the electron jumps an energy level. And when the photon is emitted, the electron jumps back down and energy is released, or the photon is emitted. So as we saw using photoelectron spectroscopy, in that case the electrons were delocalized and the surface electrons are ejected when they absorb a photon. Now the wavelength of an electromagnetic wave is related to the frequency using the speed of light. And using Planck's constant, we can relate the energy of the photon to the frequency of the electromagnetic wave. With the units of frequency is hertz or 1 second. Now we can write the frequency in terms of the wavelength, then substitute into this equation, and you can then write the energy of the photon in terms of the wavelength.